Hello everyone, now I'm going to start exercise 2.3 question number 1. Solve the following equation and check your result. In this question we have 3x is equals to 2x plus 8 and the rule to solve this is we will always keep the variable on the left hand side. Here variable is x, so we will keep it on the left hand side. Now on the left hand side we have 3x, so we will put 3x and 2x will be, we will take 2x on left hand side, so plus 2x will be minus 2x, then equal to sign, and 18 is on the right hand side, so we will put 18 there. So 3x minus x, so 3 minus 2 is 1, so we never write 1x, it's x only, so x is 18, so we have got the value of x which is 18. Now how to check this? Now as you know that when equal sign is there, before equal sign this portion is called left hand side and this portion is called right hand side. So on the left hand side we have 3x, so we'll just put the value of x here which is 18, so 3 18s are 54, and on the right hand side we have 2x plus 18, so we'll just put the value of x here which is 18 plus 18. Now 18 to the 36, 36 plus 18 is 54. So what we have seen that on the left hand side we have got 54 and on the right hand side also we have got 54, means left hand side is equals to right hand side. So in this way we can check it, like here after putting the value of x we have got the same value on both the side. Now coming to the next part. So in question number 2 we have 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5, and here t is the variable, so at first we will take 3t on left hand side, as we will keep the variable on the left hand side. So 5t minus 3t, because 3t is having plus sign and after coming to left hand side it will be minus sign, and here on the left hand side we have minus 5, so we will write minus 5 and minus 3 will be coming to right hand side, so minus 3 will be plus 3. Now 5t minus 3t is 2t, and here minus 5 plus 3 means plus minus minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2 and the sign of 5 is greater, so answer will be negative, so it will be minus 2. So 2t means 2 is multiplied by t, so the value of t will be minus 2 will be divided by 2, so 2 cancel, so it will be minus 1. Now how to check it? Again we will take left hand side. Now on the left hand side we have 5t minus 3t, 5t minus 3, so here we will put the value of t which is minus 1, and we will always put the negative sign in the bracket. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, minus 5 is minus 3 is minus 8, as minus minus plus, so 5 plus 3 is 8, and since both the digit is having negative sign, so it will be negative. Now we will check right hand side. On the right hand side we have 3t minus 5. Now 3t means 3 is multiplied by t, so the value of t is minus 1. So here we have got minus 3 minus 5 which is minus 8. Again what we have seen, we have got the same value on the left hand side and right hand side, so we can write that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So that means the value of the variable is minus 1. Now in the next question we have 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. So here again we will take 3x on the left hand side, as we are finding the value of the variable which is x here. So and here on the right hand side we have 5, so we will write 5 and 9 will be coming to right hand side, so plus 9 will be minus 9. Now 5x minus 3x is 2x, and here 5 minus 9, one is having plus sign and another is having negative sign, so plus minus minus, so 9 minus 5 is 4, and the sign of 9 is greater which is negative. So we'll put negative sign. Now the value of x will be, since it is 2 multiplied by x, so after coming to right hand side it will be division. So minus 4 will be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So the value of x will be minus 2. Now let's check. We'll put left hand side, means the sign equals, before equal sign this portion is called left hand side and this portion is right hand side. So on the left hand side we have 5x plus 9. Now 5x means 5 it's multiplied by x, and here the value of x we have got minus 2. So minus 10 plus 9, plus minus minus, so 10 minus 9 is 1, and since since 10 is having, since 10 is greater than 9 and 10 is having negative sign, so it will be negative. Now right hand side, on the right hand side we have 5 plus 3x. Now 5 plus 3 is multiplied by x, so 3 into minus 2, and put the minus sign within the bracket. So 5 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So 5 minus 6. So plus minus minus, so 6 minus 5 is 1, and sign of 6 is greater, so it will be negative. Again we have seen that left hand side is equal to right hand side, that means the value of the variable is minus 2. Next, here we have 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. So here we will take 2z on the left hand side, so plus 2z will be minus 2z, and 3 will be coming to right hand side, so plus 3 will be minus 3. Now 4 minus 2 is 2z, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So the value of z will be 2 is multiplied by z, so after coming to right hand side it will be division, so we have got 3 by 2. Now let's check. We'll write left hand side at first, and on the left hand side we have 4z plus 3. Now 4z means 4 is multiplied by z, and the value of z is 3 by 2 plus 3. Now here 2 2s are 4, so 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now on the right hand side we have 6 plus 2z. 2z means 2 is multiplied by z, so value of z is 3 by 2. Now if you cancel 2, then we will have 6 plus 3, which is 9. So that means left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we can say that the value of z is 3 by 2. Now the next one. Now in the next question we have 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. Again we will we will have to keep the variable on the left hand side, so x we will have to take from right hand side to left hand side, so minus x will be plus x, and on the right hand side we have 14, so we'll write 14, and 1 will be transposing to right hand side, so minus 9 will be minus 1 will be plus 1, so 2x plus x is 3x, and here 14 plus 1 is 15. Now 3x means 3 is multiplied by x, so value of x will be 15 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So the value of x will be 5. Now we'll check. So on the left hand side we have 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 means 2 is multiplied by x. Now here the value of x is 5, so we have put 5 here, then minus 1. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. Now on the right hand side we have 14 minus x. So 14 minus 5 is 9. So we have got the same value on the left hand side and right hand side. So we can write that left hand side is equals to right hand side, and the value of the variable is 5. Thank you, students.